अपर्याप्तम् अस्माकं बलं भीष्म अभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं तु idam एतेषां बलं भीम अभिरक्षितं. Take out just 5 minutes of your 24 hours and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that as soon as I upload the video of the verses of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and the teachings from those verses, you can know and you can watch my video directly. Till that I have described Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 up to verse 9 and the teachings from it. In today's new video I am going to tell you Arjun Visadyo verse 10 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter 1. The verse is अपर्याप्तम अस्माकं बलं भीष्म अभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं तु इदम एतेषां बलं भीष्म अभिरक्षितं. This shloka is also from before the war when both the armies were ready for the war. This shloka was recited then. According to this shloka, Duryodhan is telling Guru Dronacharya that why do I feel that my army is weak in comparison to the army of those Pandavas. Duryodhan is estimating the strength of his army by comparing it with the army of the Pandavas. Even though his army is much bigger than the Pandavas' army, the 5 Pandavas have a lot of confidence and are capable of fighting the war. Even though he had doubts about his army, Duryodhan also had doubts. The doubts were because Bhima had already taken on oath to kill all the brothers of Duryodhan, that is the Kauravas. Let me tell you that Bhishma Pitama was the commander of the Kauravas and Bhimsen was the commander of the Pandavas. First, I will tell you about Bhishma Pitama, then I will also tell you about Bhimsen. So listen, who was Bhishma Pitama? I will also tell you why Duryodhan was happy and unhappy because of him. Duryodhan is thinking that the commander of my army is Bhishma Pitama himself and my army is specially protected by him. Duryodhan is happy and unhappy with the power of Bhishma Pitama. Let me tell you how Duryodhan is happy and unhappy because of Bhishma Pitama. First I want to tell you why Duryodhan is happy with his commander Bhishma Pitama. Duryodhan is very happy because he knows very well that Bhishma Pitama is one of the most experienced warriors of Mahabharata, as well as he is an invincible warrior and his army is being led by Bhishma Pitama himself as the commander. So Duryodhan was very happy. Now I tell you why Duryodhan was unhappy. The biggest reason for his being unhappy was that the commander of the Kauravas, who was Bhishma Pitama, had taken a vow that he will not kill the Pandavas with full forces because he had a feeling of love and affection toward the Pandavas. Due to this, the morale of Duryodhan himself and the Kauravas army was weak. Now I will tell you about Bhimsen, the commander of the Pandavas side, the army of the Pandavas. That army is protected by Bhimsen. Bhim is an experienced hero who is insignificant compared to Bhishma Pitama, but still he is no less than anyone. From the name of Bhim, you can understand that he is a powerful warrior who had taken a vow to destroy Duryodhan and the Kauravas, that he would take a breath only after destroying those Kauravas. Duryodhan was always jealous of Bhima because Duryodhan knew very well that whenever he would die, it would be at the hands of Bhima and no one has the guts to kill me. Duryodhan was thinking this in his mind, but he was aware of this, but he also had a firm belief that it was impossible for Bhima to kill Duryodhan in the presence of Bhishma Pitama. He was confident that his victory was certain in the presence of Bhishma Pitama because Bhishma was a much better commander than Bhima. He would be 101% victorious in the war. This was his firm determination. Let me tell you that the Kauravas had 11 Akshauhini army and the Pandavas had 7 Akshauhini army. What is this Akshauhini army? Who all are there in this Akshauhini army? How many soldiers? How many elephants and horses? And if you want to know more about this army, then comment and tell us. I will also present its video for you in the simplest form. Even though the Pandavas army was small, they won the war because the Pandavas brother knew that they were fighting for truth and religion and Sri Krishna himself was guiding them. So why the tension? The crux of the matter. In this sloka 10, Duryodhan is afraid and worried that his army will not become weaker than the Pandavas' army and whether his army will be defeated. In this way, while traveling far, while walking, we have reached our destination. That is, we have crossed the last stages of this sloka. Say with loved ones, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And remain a part of our YouTube family by subscribing. Thank you very much.